Hello, investors. Cave Johnson here, introducing the latest innovation from
Benjamin.
Science. Yep, you guessed it, the radio. No, not this old thing. We've made a new one. Now I know what you're thinking. Cave, this looks identical to the old one. Well, this time it's got Bluetooth.
The Bluetooth device has connected successfully.
That's right, folks. Through the wonders of modern science, now you can listen to your tunes from just about anything. Your smartphone, your tablet, or heck, even your pet rock if it's got Bluetooth. Yep, this little sucker's perfect for any occasion you throw at it. Wow. And don't worry, we've still got the classics. Cave Johnson, we're done here.
Don't worry, it's not just animated, it's real! Yeah, this is my replica radio from Portal, which I built as an everyday speaker and not a radio, but alas. Other than that, everything works as you'd expect. It's got a little LCD screen for displaying information, as well as working volume control. I also gave it this little Aperture Science splash screen when you turn the radio on, which is functionally pointless, but I thought it looked cool. Here's just a quick demonstration of the Bluetooth working. The only design changes I had to make was the on-off switch here at the back and also the USB-C port for recharging. Here's me turning it on, in case you were curious. And of course, I couldn't show off a Portal radio without showing this. This is the CAD model I built. I wanted it to look as screen accurate as possible, so I actually booted up Gary's mod and used these screenshots as reference, which I then set up on each axis in Fusion 360 like this. I also used Gary's mod to try and figure out an accurate size of the radio by placing various props around it like this, and then doing these extremely high-end calculations on Photoshop. Now, it doesn't look like it in-game, but the radio is impractically huge. If I made it to an accurate scale and then compared it to my one, it'd probably look a bit like this. So yeah, I scaled it down a bit. Here's some photos of the build process. Yeah, I'd not really done a whole lot with electronics before this, so it turned out to be a really great learning experience. Particularly with Arduinos and everything. And now I have a cool speaker out of it, and I'm extremely pleased with how it came out. So if you're curious to see any of my future projects, feel free to stick around. I've got a lot of ambitious plans, quite a few of which are Portal related, because I absolutely love those games and I can't get enough. So if you made it this far, thank you.